Hello, this is Manoj Kumar. Now I am going to create a Hadoop environment by using Docker and command prompt. So let's start. Firstly, we have to enter into command prompt, log in with credentials. Hello, these are the steps. First, I have to log in with my credentials in the Docker, and then with the same credentials, I have to log in with the command prompt. After that, I have to create name node. Um, so by giving this name node command, it's executed successfully, and then I have to create data node. Um, Here it shows it also successfully completed, and then I have to create network. For this, I have give a command, but it shows a error response. That means it's not a error. Then already I have created before, so that it's showing like this. So after that I have to inspect the network. So by using this command, it gets like this inspection for that code. So after that I have to run name node. Yeah, I'm run with this command. Here I have run name node, and then after that completed, and I have to go to data node. Here I'm running data node. Then I have to create path for every Excel sheets that I have created before. So these are the files that I have created before. So the files are authors and books, borrowing records and members by using with library. So now I'm creating paths for each Excel. So here I'm creating path for each file. By dragging from the folders which we want file to the command prompt, it will create path here. Then I have to drag same file. It's done. Now I'm going to drag another file. Yeah, now I created paths for four files. Going to come for that. So now I have to add CSV files into Docker container. Firstly, we have to check whether files are in Docker container or not. So for that we have to use this command. checking whether there is not or or data in that. So after that, I have to create directories in the container. So for that we have to create two folders, that is data and files. Firstly, I am going to create data. Yeah, it's done. Now I have to create file for files. By using this command, I'm going to create files. It also executed successfully. So now I have to add all CSV files into Docker container by using this command. And so here we have to place path that we created in our system. By pasting that path here, now we have to run that command. So it's successfully copied. And then next, like this, we have to comment all the four files. So I guess you do. So now I'm adding second part for this. It also executed successfully. By taking third path to the command prompt, how to paste. Skip this. Yeah, it also successfully copied. And then next, paste fourth path of the fourth file. Yeah, I have executed all the four paths by using commands. Step is I have to check whether there is all CSV files in the name node or data node. So by using this command, I'm going to check. Yeah, there is all the four files in the container. So now I'm going to check in the Docker whether there is or not. So in the containers, we have to click in the name node. Clicking that, here we are seeing files. So the files we have to click data. So these are the four files I have created in the container in Docker. So for that I'm going to run another command. This we have to add folders to the Hadoop. First we have to view whether there is a directories in Hadoop or not. So for this we have to use this. We have to create new directory in the HDFS by using this command. I'm successfully created name node in the HDFS by using libraries. So again I have to check whether there is file in the HDFS or not. Yeah, we found one item here. So then we go to next step. We have to create subfolder in the libraries by using all these four commands one by one. going to run another command by using another folder. Yeah, it also created, and then are borrowing records. So here I have created all the using the files in the libraries. Going to check whether there is or not by using this command. We can check whether there is or not. Yeah, yeah, there are 4 files created in the main folder already created. Now that is by that is adding CSV files into Docker container. Add files from Docker container to HDFS. We have to execute this command by one. Changing based on my file. Yeah, it's successfully executed. Now I'm going to execute another using another path. also executed successfully. Now I'm going to execute another one. For every command we have to change this path. So if we can't change these paths, we get errors. For executing all these, we are checking whether there is fault that get executed this command, and we get data from the Excel sheet. So after that we have to pull Hive into the Docker. So after this pulling, we successfully downloaded image into Hive to the Docker. Now I'm going to run another command. So now we have to run Docker container by using this command. It successfully run. Then I have to create. So now we have to check after running Docker container. Now we have to check whether there is files in the Hive. Into Docker, we have to check by using these steps. First we have to click containers and then to click Hive server. After this, have to click files. Here I have to click select option, and here I have to select Hive and then select configuration. Then from here we have to check Hive site.xml. So after select this, open file editor, we have to click in the open file editor. Here we have to replace code with the other code. This is the code I'm replacing in that. Then I have to save using this save option. We can see here it is modified. We are going to set up Hive on Docker by using one by one command. Successfully run. So schema tool is completed successfully. So now I'm going to run another command. Once schema is initialized, you can start with going to start Hive Metastore service. So for that we have to use this command. It also successfully running in the command prompt. Still it is in loop. It won't get executed. Still it is in loop. So for executing another command, we have before that we have to give using shortcut Control C. Then it get shut down. Till that it is in loop. So after that we have to run another one. This is the command on Hive shell with advanced settings. It executed successfully. Now I'm going to enter another. If IP address is different, we have to change the command. Is already IP address is same, so I'm not changing any details in that in this command. So I'm directly going to execute this. Is loading. So successfully we enter into Hive. So now I'm going to give queries for extracting, creating data from the file which are we created before. First we have to check the Hadoop structure. That we have to run this command in the Hive. Now we are running in the Hive. Checking direct folders using this command. Now we are getting list of our tables from Hive on Hive. So we have to execute this command. So for getting list of tables on Hive, we have to use this query show tables. Now I'm going to create new tables in the Hive shell for each file. So for that I'm pasting here. So here Hive is stopped. So I'm going to run again from the Docker. So for that we have to click play here. So again we have to go to command prompt, and here we have to enter this command. So after executing this, we again enter into Hive. Yeah, it's getting to Hive. Now I'm creating tables in the Hive. Yeah, it's successfully created. Again, now I'm going to, by using queries, now I'm going to gather information from the tables. So for that we had to give query. Now I'm loading data into the table by using this command query. So after this, I'm going to execute another. This query is for extracting data from the tables. By using select, we can select from any data from the table. Going to execute another query. Here I'm executing another queries. So here I get data from the tables by using our query. So I'm going to execute another query. This is the query for getting data using particular conditions. So we get executed, and I'm going to execute another one. With this query we can join tables, join queries. And again I am going to execute another query. So it gets successfully executed, and I am going to execute another. This query is for update data in the table. Get executed. This query is for alter table. So it also executed successfully. Now I am going to drop a table command. This query I am going to drop a table. So it also done. So I have run almost 15 to 20 queries in the Hive. So thank you. I'm going to stop this Hive. Thank you. Thank you so much.